Want to build a hotel booking analysis dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting from the home page, we'll import our hotel booking data. Just click Import Data and select your file. The data uploads instantly. Now click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our hotel booking data, identifying patterns in guest preferences, booking sources, and revenue trends. The system intelligently determines the most valuable insights to visualize. It's creating charts for booking status breakdowns, room type popularity, guest distributions, and booking timelines. The AI is also building summary tables for special requests and room type aggregates. Our hotel booking analysis dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 data tables. The dashboard automatically gets a professional title and layout. We can instantly customize the theme with different color schemes and styling options. Now, let's enter presentation mode for a clean, distraction-free view. This mode is perfect for meetings and client presentations, hiding all editing tools while maintaining full interactivity. You can still hover over charts for detailed tooltips and explore your data seamlessly. The presentation view makes your dashboard look polished and professional. Exiting presentation mode brings back all editing capabilities. You can scroll through your entire dashboard, interact with every visualization, and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.